A couple of years back already, we recognized that we were probably being a little bit left behind the curve in terms of digitization and the use of BIM. At that point, we decided to put together quite a robust strategy with regards to BIM and digitization. Roadmap was put together, and we've been driving that quite aggressively over the last year. Twofold. The one is sort of the day-to-day project efficiencies. I think we've already started to recognize a lot of the benefits from being able to collaborate on some of these platforms more easily with the other stakeholders on the project. I think the best way Autodesk can achieve this is by constantly interfacing with the people who are using software. We do see that they actually are quite good at this. We can feel that their research and development and their initiatives and efforts are directed based on our experiences of the software and where we see the needs are. Truly do see that their roadmap is based very much around where the construction industry is headed.
We have a small BIM unit that supports all the other departments to become self-sufficient in terms of BIM. That's how BIM philosophy works in Alec. We support everybody else to become BIM mature themselves. One of our first projects when we had a BIM requirement from the client was to manage expectations as a real-world challenge when it comes to dealing with the upstream stakeholders. And at the same time, on the same job, we had a challenge to upskill the supply chain at the same time. So it was a very challenging journey, but I think we've made it through. Over the last 4.5 to 5 years, we started using Revit extensively. So instead of a new technology, it became the norm in Alec. In the last few years, we're not using anything but Revit for engineering deliverables. I can tell that itself helped us drastically reduce our churning rate in terms of drawings and engineering deliverables. Productivity overall when it comes to engineering and shop drawings and coordination. So that's one benefit that is quite evident and measurable. At the same time, we always keep ourselves up to date, and we're always trying and testing the latest technology. So in the last 1.5 to 2 years, we started already getting our hands on BIM 360 solutions from Autodesk. We especially like the next generation product. We keep exploring and giving very dynamic feedback back to Autodesk team, and we're happy with the feedback that we get from them in terms of implementing our wishes.
So we've recognized that these changes are coming, and I think if we want to remain competitive in this market, we're going to have to keep ahead of that curve. Without Autodesk's support in that, because very much those are the products we're using, so anything we do has got to be kind of geared around that. Without a doubt, we're going to need that support.